my dear people, it's Laura, and as you could have seen from the title, I am bringing you a different kind of video, and that is a video about drawing. So I'm not much of a real life drawer. I mean, I don't exactly draw with my hands and with my pens. I usually do it digitally, but this time I decided it would be very fun to draw that way because I don't, draw this way much because honestly, maybe the biggest reason is because I'm very scared of how it will turn out, and this type of like physical paper when it's empty, it's kind of like it's giving me so much inspiration, but at the same time it's like scaring me because it's so empty and I have to fill it up with something beautiful. And then when I don't do that, in my own opinion, well, then I just panic and then I quit. But this time I decided to just go for it, and I didn't film, how I kind of first draw this kind of hair, but I then decided maybe it would be, very cool to create a video about it, and that's why in the middle of this hair I decided to create a video. So the reason why I chose hares is because they're such amazing animals. I see them a lot when I'm walking in nature, and I have a lot of forests and woods by my place. So hares are not exactly, strangers, because honestly I see them almost every time that I go out in nature, and they're very stunning because they're, very different from regular rabbits because they're bigger and they have bigger like legs and bigger ears, and that is making them so stunning and amazing. They're magnificent, honestly. And I love forest animals. I love animals that also remind me of fall, and I don't know, I kind of associate the hare with like being a kind of fall animal. So that's why I just decided to go for it, to go, draw something, and hares and generally, animals were my first thing to draw. What I have to say to you is that I am not having like, maybe it's visible here, but generally I don't have like a specific style that I'm drawing in. I'm just drawing whatever and however I want. And I just honestly, when it comes to my style for now, I just go with the flow because I didn't find my style yet. I'm still trying it out. So the more styles, that I try, I will soon see what suits me and what makes me, the most calm and that I'm good at. So for now, I am presenting you those type of like graphic pen kind of physical paper animals that I'm drawing, and I hope you like this video and I hope you like me drawing. And I also have to say that this is a very sped up video, if you can tell, because if I didn't speed it up it would be like 30 minutes long. So maybe someday, of course, I will, film the whole version. But for now, I wanted to go with like a sped up and shorter version because I don't know, it takes too much space in my phone to film like and post the whole thing. So for now, it's a time-lapse kind of thingy, but of course I will upgrade it later to something bigger. I'm just drawing this spontaneously. I'm not trying to recreate any type of artist or any type of style. I just found these like amazing photography of hares on the Google, and then I recreated it that way, as I was watching it. So I'm not trying to be someone or do something specific. As I said, I'm just going with the flow here, which is generally not the case with me, but okay, now it is. And I don't exactly I'm not trying to be having having this drawing realistically, or I know that I'm probably wrong at some points for, I don't know, eyes here, or maybe anatomy of hairs. But as I said, I'm just doing it for fun. I'm doing it for me. I'm trying out, and it is a very useful thing just to try out to start. So here is my start. Don't be mad at me if I, maybe have something wrong here. But as I said, I'm just trying it out, so please be gentle with me. also didn't know whether I should like speak through the whole video or I should just, talk in the intro and then post some kind of relaxing music. But as you can hear, of course, I am talking all the way through right now. But maybe for some other videos, because yes, I'm planning to do more videos just like this. I will say something quickly or even write it down just, and I will just be filming the process with a nice music. That is also, I think, a very relaxing thing to do. And maybe then you can try to like draw with me, use this video as some type of inspiration for you. I don't know, it would be very cool if you put this video and then you tried to also draw something for you. But either way, I'm very thankful for all of you that are watching my videos. I didn't expect that, but now that I have it, I'm so grateful. And I will of course see you next week with new videos, and I don't know, I hope you're looking forward to that as much as I do, because I love sharing videos here. And that's basically it from me, and here is the final look of the hares. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!